guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new here, well, welcome back. So today I have another Amazon unboxing video, and it is all stuff that I got for free from people that reached out to me through emails, and they told me that they would watch my videos and they were interested in me trying out some products. Oh, and if you guys do notice that I have bangs now, I did cut my hair and it's not what I wanted, but I did film it. If you guys want to watch it, I will link it up here. But anyways, let's begin because I have three boxes here and they're really heavy. Well, this big one is heavy, and then I also have two packages right here. I'm going to begin with this package right here, Madura. So this company didn't reach out to me or anything. I just got a package from them. So it comes with a little paper here. So it's just the paper of whatever they sent me, and so they sent me a pair of tweezers by Tweezer Guru. This is what it looks like. It is just a blue slant tweezers, your daily beauty routine. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to put this in a giveaway because I already have a pair of tweezers that I like. So I'm just going to put this in a giveaway or give it to my mom if she needs some. So yeah, that's the first thing that I got. Okay, the second thing that I got, it came in this little package here. And this one, I don't know how I got it either. I just received it in my mailbox, and yeah. And apparently they put the wrong zip code. So I had already opened it, and it looks like it comes from China, I think.
It says that it is from Wen Hao He,
or something like that. So anyways, they sent me a couple of eye brushes from Mooney's professional eye brush set. This is what they look like. Here, I'm gonna open it. And then they come packaged separately, and they're little plastics, but this is what they look like. So this is what they look like. They feel really soft. They sent me 7 brushes, and it says that it is made out of pony hair. Interesting. I'm actually allergic to horse hair, but I don't know. This feels really soft. It doesn't feel like horse hair.
It doesn't smell like animals.
It says no animal testing, so that's good. So I'm super excited that I got these makeup brushes. I'm super excited to try these out. Hopefully they work well. I'll be testing them soon in another video. So thank you to whoever sent me these Mooney professional eye brush set. Okay, now onto this big box right here. Let's open it up and see what I got. This is what it looks like inside. It comes with another 2 boxes. Ouch. When you have carpal tunnel, everything hurts. It hurts to grab anything. Anyways, they sent me a Jolly Grace Makeup Train White Love pattern. So let's check it out. It doesn't have like a logo or anything. It just has like the description up here. So let's see what they sent me. Big surprise, a special gift is awaiting for you. And they sent me a makeup case.
Jesus, I can't even get this out of here.
I feel like the handle's gonna break by the time I get the box out.
The struggle's real!
Okay, I'm gonna have to rip the box because this is not gonna come out. There you go. So here is the makeup box that they sent me. It's like a yellow brownish color, and it says love everywhere. That's pretty cool. I've never had one of these. Oops, I was showing you guys the back. So this is the front, and it says Jolly Grace right here, but it's backwards. I don't know. I don't understand. It says Jolly Grace, but it's backwards. I always see people carrying these, but I've never like had one before. So let's open it up. It also comes with a like key lock. I think the keys are going to be inside. Oh, okay. So you open it and it opens like so. Oh, this is pretty neat. Oh, that's cute. What is this?
A plastic. They sent me a plastic.
And then, oh, that's cool. And it comes with more plastic in here. They should have filled it up with makeup, huh? So it comes with little plastic here. And they sent me another paper that says read me for 10% off. And so this is what it looks like. It has all these departments to put makeup. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not. And it comes with another little box here. Oh, and it also comes with a little keys here to lock this little box here. So that's pretty cool. Here, let me open this. So it comes with this. I'm guessing this is like a pencil holder. I mean, not a pencil holder, a makeup brush holder or something. Because I don't know where else I would put this. So this is what it looks like inside. It's pretty big. And I like that it comes with a mirror right here. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this. And if I do give it out or something, I'll probably give it out to someone here, because if I ship it to one of you guys, it's going to be too expensive because it's pretty heavy. But I don't know, I'll see. I think it's pretty cool though. I really like how this opens and closes. That's cool. That's pretty neat. Okay, now on to the second thing in this box, and it looks like it is an essential oil diffuser. This is what the box looks like. And it is an essential oil diffuser. I remember getting the email for this one, and they asked me if I wanted to try it out, and I said yes, because I do get stressed a lot, so I really wanted a oil diffuser so I could get relaxed. This is what it looks like inside. It comes with this little thing here. Oh, okay, so it comes with this little water container thing, and so you put the water in here to fill up the oil diffuser. And it comes with this little charger here, so that's pretty cool. And inside is my oil diffuser. Ta-da! Cool, looks pretty cool. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. And you could take it off and, oh, so I guess you put the water in here. So that's cool. I need to see how this works because I really need to use this at night before I go to sleep, because I do stress a lot, so this is going to be really handy. So it does light up because it says right here light and mist. I don't know if you guys could see. So that's pretty cool. So thank you so much for sending me this. I'm really excited to try this out. Okay, now I'm going to open this box right here. So the first thing is I believe this is a lunch box. Yeah, it's an insulated styling large hiking beach. So they sent me this lunch box right here. I told them I would like the floral print one. So I got this one. It's super cute. And it has a pocket in the front. So you can put your stuff in there. And inside it comes with this shoulder strap. So that's pretty cool. And inside it has that material so it could keep your food warm or cold. So that's pretty cool. And it even has a pocket for like a water bottle or something. It has two, so that's pretty cool. It's really cute. See? So that's that. This is funny. Okay, so the next thing that they sent me is this knitted sweater from the brand Liani. I told them that I would like the size large. This is crazy. It's like really compressed. It doesn't even bend. And it's a sweater. So they sent me this sweater right here. It smells weird. And it's like really wrinkled. But it's super cute. And I told them I wanted a yellow one because I love yellow. And this is like a mustard yellow, I think. Or I don't know. Oh, it says to dry clean or wash by hand. So I'm going to have to wash this by hand. And I actually like washing by hand. So it says that this sweater is 100% acrylic. Look at that. I don't think I've ever had a sweater made out of this material. Or I don't know. I don't really pay attention to that. It's really soft. So I'm super excited for fall. Hopefully I get to wear this. Now on to the last box here. So they sent me this little backpack here by the brand, I don't know, I think this is like a Chinese brand or something like that. It says Jingping Piju Huaying Qiyang Yi Liu Piju. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing anything right, but I don't know if you guys could see. That's the brand, and they sent me this cute little backpack here. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use this. I thought it was going to be bigger. It feels like a really good material. It's super cute, and I like that it has a little pocket here in the front. It has more little pockets in here for like the cell phone and other stuff that you could put in here, so that's pretty cool. And I like that it has a zipper in the back. See? And I really like the small pockets on the side. I don't know if you guys can see them. It has a little pockets here. The pockets is, and on the other side the same. And in the back it has the backpack straps. And it also comes with a little zipper here, which is pretty cool. Okay, so the last thing that I have in this box right here looks like another pack of makeup brushes, and I'm actually excited for these because they're green. See? So they sent me a pair of Ferrisa Makeup Brush Pro Beauty Tool 12-piece green. That's what the description says. So let's open it up. Cool, I'm super excited for these. So here are the brushes that they sent me. They're super cute. This is weird. I've never seen this before, like the fishnet type of thing. And so here are the brushes. They feel super soft. They sent me a small shadow brush. Super cute, and it's really soft. Angled contour brush. This one right here. Foundation brush. Oh, I don't really like this for foundation. I use these for like face masks. So flat powder brush. These I actually like for foundation. Highlight brush. This one right here. It looks like a blending brush actually, but they're really soft. The concealer brush. This one right here. Eyebrow brush. Angled eyeshadow brush. This one right here. And it also feels really soft. Blender brush. So like a blending brush. They sent me a lip brush, which I'm not gonna use. A socket blender. So I guess it's just a blending brush. I'm super excited to try these brushes out. You guys will see them in a future video. Like, look at how soft they are, and I love the colors on it. It's super cute. If you guys were wondering, these are the Ferrisa brushes. If I can, I'll try to link everything in the description box. If you guys want to get any of these items or something similar, I will link everything down below. Let me know in the comments below which product you like the best, and also let me know if you tried any of these products. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.